Where are Stearns Foster mattresses made? If you're curious about where those luxurious Stearns Foster mattresses come from, you're about to uncover a fascinating story that spans over a century and multiple locations. Let's start from the beginning. Stearns Foster was founded in 1846 by George S. Stearns and Seth Foster in Cincinnati, Ohio. Initially, they made cotton items for stuffing horse-drawn carriages, but soon they shifted to producing mattresses, particularly for hotels. Over the years, the company grew and relocated to Lockland, Ohio, where it became a significant employer and producer of mattresses. However, this factory, which was once the heart of Stearns Foster's production, is now demolished. So, where are Stearns Foster mattresses made today? The answer lies in a small municipality in Quebec, Canada. In 1944, a company called Mattress Supreme built a large mattress factory in St-Narcisse, about 30 kilometers from Trois-Rivières. This factory was quite impressive for its time, supplying mattresses to all of Quebec and the Maritime provinces. In 1979, 4 employees with over 50 years of combined experience in mattress manufacturing bought the company. By 1987, Sealy, the parent company of Stearns Foster, acquired this factory. Sealy was impressed by the factory's daily production capacity of 400 mattresses and the dedication of its employees. Today, the Sealy St-Narcisse factory is a crucial part of Stearns Foster's production. Here, master craftsmen with decades of experience hand-build mattresses using the highest quality materials. This factory is not just a production site, it's an economic engine for the region, known for its exceptional craftsmanship and commitment to quality. In addition to the St-Narcisse factory, Stearns Foster also has manufacturing facilities in the United States. When you place an online order, it is sent to one of these US-based facilities where master craftsmen carefully hand-build your mattress using top-notch materials. Once complete, the mattress is shipped to a local delivery partner who will schedule the delivery and even remove your old mattress if requested. So, the next time you lie down on a Stearns Foster mattress, remember the rich history and skilled hands that went into making it, whether it was crafted in St-Narcisse, Quebec, or one of their U.S. facilities.